Welcome again to JamenEats. I'm going to be testing out the Bighorn pellet pizza oven today. It's going to be interesting because we actually have quite a bit of snow coming down, and it's about 30, 32, 33 degrees, give or take. So we should be able to check the performance on this pizza oven in some pretty tough conditions. I'm going to have it up on my picnic table, and there's already about 3 or 4 inches of snow accumulated on the table, so we're going to test it out. It's some pretty tough stuff. See how it does. See how it compares to some of the other ovens. But we got a digital thermometer, a little infrared action on that. Going to test it out with that and see how long it takes to heat up. All right, here we go. I made sure to order some pellets ahead of time, and I did some research online and found out that the oak works pretty good for wood-fired ovens. So we're going to try out these Traeger oak wood pellets in our Bighorn pellet pizza oven. Let's go fire this thing up. Right here it's snowing pretty good still. The wind's died down a little bit, but I got the pizza oven loaded up in the hopper. See right there, I got the hopper loaded up with the pellets. And I got my torch right here. So we're going to try this thing out, see what happens. Oh, and don't forget to take off your stack cap, which is also used for a pellet dipper, so you can go and fill up your pellets with it. Here, check this thing out. Alright, it took about 30 seconds to a minute to light it. Let's see what's going on. We got some smoke already out of the stack, so we're going to come back and check the temperature. Check this out. We got the fire going, and about 5-6 minutes later, this is what we got right out of the smokestack. This, according to the instructions, is a good sign. That means the fire is going really good. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes, and this is what we got on the pizza stone. Got about 450, roughly 430 degrees Fahrenheit after about 5 minutes. So we're going to come back and check it in another 5, see what we have. This thing looks awesome. I'm really glad I decided to do this at night, or dusk anyway. So here we go. We're going to do a 10-minute checkup on the temperature, see how the pizza stone's doing. But this thing's been burning for about 10 minutes, real solid. Now I put probably about a cup of pellets in the hopper on top of the pellets that were in the tray. So let's go check out the temp on the pizza stone. See what we got for 10 minutes. You can see in there that looks cool, doesn't it? You got the flame coming out of there. Almost looks like a broiler. So let's check out this pizza stone. Yeah, that's pretty hot. We're up to 720. The temperature cools off at the edges a little bit, but that's kind of to be expected. We're well over 700 here in the middle. All right, see the flame starting to dissipate a little bit. We're gonna close this thing up, and cook a pizza pretty soon. Let's get going. All right, we just got back inside from checking out the Bighorn pellet pizza oven outside in a snowstorm at about 30 to 33 degrees. And we still saw temps up to 730, 725. Looking pretty good for temperature on that oven, especially in a cold day, windy, snow. Did awesome. Literally sitting on a picnic table that is 3 inches covered in snow, and it was still getting up over 725, 730 degrees. All right, so that's looking pretty darn good for the Bighorn. I'm not going to be doing the pizza in the Bighorn tonight, just because it's dark outside, and I'd rather be able to see what I'm doing when I'm working with it the first time on the with the pizza dough. And so I'm going to save this bad boy for later, and we'll fire it up in the daytime in the next day or so. But take it easy. We'll see you the next time.